Welcome to this video demonstration of connecting up your smartphone to the BMW. This is the BMW 335 that we're in with the professional nav system, which you can see in front of you there. The first thing we want to do is connect up the phone via its USB cable. So in the glove box for this car, we have the USB input and we're using an iPhone for this demonstration. So what we want to do is plug it in first of all. If we then look up on the screen just here, and wait for a few moments, it will connect. It's telling me that it's connected on my phone. So the next thing you can do, there's various things you can do actually in terms of apps and listening to music and things like that. If you go to media and radio, you can see that it's got my iPhone connected just there, and it's showing that I have Napster, Spotify, Audible, all available. So audiobooks, Spotify for streaming music, and Napster for streaming music as well. We could go into Napster, for example, on here, and play a song. These songs are all available on my phone at the moment. If I select to play a song and then turn the volume up on the stereo, that song is now playing. We can come out of that, and in this menu, let me just turn the volume down a moment. In this menu you can actually search, so you can discover music. You can actually search for music on here. So if we went new releases, for example, it'll bring them up. So this that we're doing right now is all being done on the internet. So this will use your data. It's worth being aware of that. But these are all new songs that have come out. So if we pick one at random, for example, this song now is not saved to the device. It's not saved to the phone. This is streaming using the internet via Napster, and you can see it'll even bring up the album artwork there. What this means is that although this car has a CD player and many other ways of connecting music, if you connect your phone in this way and you have either Napster or Spotify or both, you can listen to endless tracks, up to kind of 14 million, I think, on both of these systems. So, you know, it really does save you taking out CDs with you everywhere you go. You can go back, all the way back out of here if you want to, and go to Spotify and listen to your track on Spotify if you'd wish to, rather than listening to Napster. And same situation again, turn the volume up and that music is now playing.